What's up, Visuals fam, and welcome back for another video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you all how to build a custom mechanical keyboard that looks freaking awesome, has a ton of awesome features, keeps that custom keyboard tax down. If you don't know, they cost quite a lot of money. It should be fairly simple for beginners out there, and best of all, no waiting for drops or random shipments of parts, because all of these parts we're going to be using can be bought right off Amazon right freaking now. Intro.
URCD Key has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices on their Microsoft Office 2016 bundle that comes with a Windows 10 license as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in your product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, type in my promo code, once again RAV20, and see the sweet savings appear. Check the links in the video description to learn more.
So first off, this keyboard kit that we're going to be using has a few different names. It's listed in most places as the GK61 or GK61XS. So the XS version just denotes that it has Bluetooth capability. But the manufacturer can both be seen as Epo Maker, I believe it's called, or Skyloom, as you can see in the kit we have right here. So as far as I know, they are basically the same thing, and hopefully there should be no difference. But if I'm wrong and there is a difference between the two makers, please let me know in the comments. So now you might notice that this keyboard kit we're going to be using, it doesn't really have anything on it. It's just a blank PCB with a case, and it doesn't have any switches or keycaps. And that's absolutely correct, as this kit is meant to be the base for your custom keyboard build. Now, a fully custom mechanical build would include all of the parts that we're going to get inside of this GK61, like the case, the PCB, the stabilizers, all that stuff. That would all have to be picked individually and bought by themselves. But for beginners just getting into this sort of thing, I figured this kit would be a solid and simple route for all of you guys. So for switches, this PCB can basically take any of the common 3 or 5 pin switches. And in my build here, I chose the Kailh Pro Burgundy switches, which are linear switches with 1.7 millimeters of operation travel, 3.6 millimeters of total travel, and a 50-gram actuation. I honestly picked these because I wanted to try out more linears, and after using the linear reds, I absolutely love linear switches now, and these Pro Burgundies seem to be right up my alley. And finally, for the keycaps, there is a wide array of options out there on Amazon and beyond, and there are tons of different variations of colors and all that kind of stuff you can go with. So as far as my build, I was going for more Miami's like /synthwave feel to match that new desk pad that I got from Odin Gaming. So I found some keycap sets from a company called BOYI or BOYI. I'm not sure how you say it, but there you go. That's what it looks like. And they had exactly what I was looking for. Now, the only thing to be aware of here is with the GK61 kit, you need to make sure you double check that the keycaps you choose are the correct layout for your PCB. Now, I made this mistake on my last keyboard build, and then I ended up putting random keys in certain slots because it didn't come with the correct keys that fit the PCB. So please look out for that. And now with all the parts chosen, all we need to do is go ahead and assemble our new build. Alright, so I tried to show you guys all of the onboard functions I could with this board, but there actually are a lot more, and they are all shown though in this little manual that comes with the kit, so it's very easy to actually find the function you're looking for and make it happen with the function keys. And now I've also seen that they do have some kind of software available for the GK61. It's out there on the internet, but the only ones I could find basically were all in Chinese, so honestly I didn't even bother with trying to download any of them. So what do you think of this build, you guys? Would you want to build one of these yourself? Let me know down in the comments below, and always down there as well will be all of the links to all the parts that I use in this video. So if you guys wanted to build this yourself or a variation of this, they're all going to be there for you. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed seeing this build, and if you did, be sure to toss the video a like. And if you want to see me further upgrade this keyboard, such as doing things like lubing the switches, adding like artisan keycaps like in my last build, and even a custom coiled cable. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you'll know which one I already got, and it's gonna look sick. If you guys want to see all of that, make sure you get subscribed and turn those notifications on, because that video will be coming out very soon and you will not want to miss that. Also, if you guys didn't know, I stream the actual build process of this keyboard over on Twitch and here on YouTube. So if you guys want to see the next time I decide to do one of those, go ahead and head over to Twitch and give me a follow there as well. But thanks for hanging out with me today, fam. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. See you guys later.